In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a file to chat in Visual Studio Code. We'll walk through this slowly so you can follow along, even if you're fairly new to Visual Studio Code. By the end, you'll know exactly how to take a file from your project and make it available inside a chat interface or extension within VS Code. First, make sure you have Visual Studio Code open on your computer. If it isn't open yet, go ahead and launch the application. Give it a moment to load your recent workspace or project. If you don't see any files, you may need to open a folder first by going to the File menu and choosing the option to open a folder, then selecting your project directory. Once your project is visible, look over at the Explorer panel on the left side of the window. This is where all your folders and files are listed. Take a moment to identify the file or folder you want to add to the chat. It might be a specific source code file, a configuration file, or even an entire folder that contains related files you'd like to discuss or analyze. Now, move your mouse over that file or folder in the Explorer. When you've found the one you want, right-click on it. This opens a context menu with several options related to that item. The exact list can vary slightly depending on which extensions you have installed, but you'll see options like opening the file, renaming it, or copying its path. In that menu, look for the option labeled Add Folder to Chat, or a very similar phrase depending on your installed chat or AI extension. Go ahead and click on that option. When you do, Visual Studio Code will connect that folder and its contents to the chat panel for the extension you're using. This allows the chat to reference the files inside that folder when you ask questions, request explanations, or generate code based on your existing project. After you've added the folder to chat, switch over to your chat panel, usually found in the sidebar or a separate tab. You should now be able to interact with the chat and know that it has access to the files you just added. If needed, repeat the same process for other folders or files you want to include. And that's all there is to it. You've opened Visual Studio Code, selected your file or folder, used the right-click menu, and added it to chat so your tools can work directly with your project.